We are pleading for this government to treat it like it is, a healthcare crisis.
The province of Alberta's plan to tackle the addictions crisis is based around recovery. And despite minimal data, they're touting it as successful. And now they're teaming up with Saskatchewan and Ontario to further that plan. But critics are saying it misses the mark.
If the Premier and the Minister are going to speak about the successes of their Alberta model, then they need to back it up with facts and release up-to-date data that shows overdose deaths and the results of their recovery-only model.
We have to invest at some point. And as far as I'm concerned, that time was yesterday because lives hang in the balance.
He says they're working on a plan to release data on recovery with legislation set to be introduced this spring. The three ministers of mental health and addiction saying their collaboration is crucial to address the crisis sweeping the nation.
And the path to recovery is a lifelong journey for individuals. So when individuals are walking that path, they may cross those boundaries, they may cross those borders into the neighboring provinces. And if we have a unified approach where we're all focused on a recovery-oriented systems of care and recovery model, I think that is better serving the people that are using those systems.
Those working in the sector say recovery is essential, but add it only addresses one area of a very complex issue and does nothing to address the toxic drug supply.
Every quarter last year saw the highest ever rates of emergency department visits relating to opioids.
In the first 11 months of 2023, 1,800 Albertans died from overdose, an average of 6 people every day.
Patients are dying daily. When those clients don't show up at 4 o'clock, there's only one answer. And we know what that answer is now. It's the 1,800 people that have passed away.
He adds there is a concern the government's focus is too narrow. And of the province's 11 recovery centres, only one is fully operational. But Minister Williams says they all share a common goal despite policy differences.
I appreciate criticism that we need to build as quickly as I can. I'm driving the Minister of Infrastructure nuts as I get as close as I can to pushing the limits of the rules we have to follow to get these projects out the door and built and up and running.
In Calgary, Jillian Code, City News.